Welcome to the BRSR Explainer series. Ever wondered how companies measure the real environmental impact of their products? To understand this, let's explore life cycle assessment or LCA. When we buy a product, a phone, a t-shirt or even a bottle of water, do we ever think about the environmental impact behind it? From raw materials to disposal, every step affects our planet. That's where LCA comes in. LCA stands for Life Cycle Assessment, a scientific method used to measure the environmental impact of a product, process, or service throughout its entire life cycle. It looks at the product's journey from cradle to grave. That means from raw material extraction to manufacturing, then transportation, then use, and finally disposal or recycling. LCA is standardized under ISO 14040 and ISO 14044. For example, a plastic bottle may seem worse, but a glass bottle actually has more emissions unless reused many times. LCA guides us to make fact-based, sustainable, and more responsible choices for a healthier planet and a better life. This is why businesses need to ask themselves, how can we make a product better while keeping them sustainable? Should we focus more on energy efficiency or on using fewer materials? Can we recycle more, use bio-based materials, and how much impact they actually have? Why is it important? Well, to identify and reduce environmental impacts, carbon footprint, water use, energy use, and waste generation, to make better design and material choices for eco-friendly alternatives, to support BRSR and ESG reporting, Principle 2 Sustainable Products and Principle 6 Environment, to comply with the government industry regulations and meet the investor expectations, to compare products or services fairly. For example, is a paper bag really greener than a plastic bag? The goal of LCA is simple: to make smarter and more sustainable choices. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such updates from ReGeneva.